Imagine hitting the open road with all the comforts of home wrapped in cutting-edge technology. That's exactly what the 2025 BYD Motorhome promises. Welcome to Ride Review, where today we're diving into this futuristic blend of mobility and luxury. The 2025 BYD Motorhome stands out with its sleek, aerodynamic design, reducing drag while enhancing fuel efficiency. Its modern exterior, complete with LED lighting and panoramic windows, not only looks stunning but also offers a spacious, light-filled interior. The design isn't just about aesthetics, it's engineered for optimal performance on highways and rugged terrains alike. Under the hood, the BYD Motorhome is powered by an advanced electric drivetrain, providing a smooth, quiet ride with impressive torque. Thanks to its robust battery system, you get an extended range that makes long road trips worry-free. Charging is swift and convenient with BYD's latest fast-charging technology, getting you back on the road in no time. Inside, luxury meets functionality. The smart layout maximizes space with modular furniture, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a cozy sleeping area. High-end materials and ambient lighting create a comfortable, inviting atmosphere. The tech features are equally impressive. A digital cockpit with a large infotainment display, voice-activated controls, and integrated smart home connectivity, letting you control lighting, climate, and entertainment with ease. Safety is paramount in the BYD Motorhome. It comes with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and 360-degree cameras, ensuring peace of mind whether you're navigating city streets or mountain roads. Starting at around $150,000, the 2025 BYD Motorhome offers exceptional value for those seeking adventure without compromising on comfort or sustainability. It's more than a vehicle, it's a mobile lifestyle solution. Before we wrap up, here's a feature you'll love. The BYD Motorhome boasts an innovative solar panel roof, providing supplemental energy for your appliances and reducing reliance on external power sources. Perfect for off-grid adventures. Thanks for joining us on Ride Review. In our next video, we'll spotlight another exciting feature to keep your automotive curiosity fueled. See you soon.